The biggest challenge that I see facing subscription companies today is simple: sales. I've yet to talk to an executive that's overrun with more leads and more business than they can handle. I think that the challenge is that even though the diagnosis is common, the reasons are not. And so talking with other subscription executives, which is what we do day in and day out, is everyone says, how do I generate more leads, more business, more closed deals? And if I ask them why they're not getting them today, the answer is anything from, well, my website's not working, or marketing isn't generating enough leads, or my lead gen team isn't effective, or my sales guys aren't closing these opportunities. But the fact of the matter is, they don't know why. And that, I think, is the number one issue that needs to be solved. And if you look at the reasons behind it, the reason they don't know the answer is it's really complex. It's really hard to drive sales in the modern market where your touch points could be anywhere across a spectrum of third-party research sites, your social pages, an email campaign, a blog post, a sales guy themselves directly. Any of those touch points could be where someone engages with you, and it's really hard to diagnose when you have so many different touch points or points of failure, where in the old days when the only way to get a deal done was you call a sales guy and talk to him, it's really easy to figure out where things went wrong. Now when there might be 10 or 12 different opportunities for them to engage with your brand, it's really difficult to assess what the problems lie, and I think that's a challenge that most companies face.